welcome back to another video in the Powerhouse Garage. Today we're painting my boys. Jonathan's car. It's a coupe. I primed it the other day. Well, it's been more like a month, and because of his schedule, my schedule, we haven't been able to paint the bay. But now I am here. I just pulled up to his house. I'm waiting for him to get here, and we're about to paint the bay. So here's the bay. We just finished wet sanding it. It's smooth, and we're about to paint it. We're about to mask off the rest of the brake line, and it's about to get painted. So this is the first coat. Now I'm about to do bumper and fender. Let it dry for 15 minutes, and then we go into the next. But it's already looking good. So we just did the first coat of clear, and this is how it is. What you guys think? And here's the fenders and the bumper. Wet. It's only the first coat. Here's the bumper. And we're gonna do probably one more coat or two more, but let's see. It's definitely gonna be wet. All right, so I did the second coat of clear, and it's looking wet. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more in the bay and the bumper and the fenders, but this is wet. It is wet. All right, so I just did the last coat. I did 3 coats, and it is looking wet. By the way, this is my first engine bay that I did, and not too bad. Look at the bumper. It's nice and wet. Look at the fenders. Think we figured it out without the instructions? Probably. I don't see it too bad. All right, so we just did the roof. It's pretty big. I didn't think it was this big, but it's gonna be on this side right here. So we're gonna keep building away. Damn dog barking. All right, now we're getting somewhere. It's definitely bigger than what I thought. Yeah, it's pretty high. All right, so we just finished up. Here's the finished product. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Let's go inside. Yeah, it's a decent size to paint. Oh yeah. Need to get some lights. Some lights and a fan. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new paint booth. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new paint booth. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.